Picture yourself in the 2020 Volvo S90. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Let the journey unfold with tasteful elegance when you travel in this beautifully styled S90. Spacious, calming, powerful, and protective, this stunning midsize luxury sedan is your family's sanctuary in a hectic world. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, premium sound system, power passenger seat, fog lamps. Make the drive bright and beautiful in this remarkable S90. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.